Hello, this is James Eschenbrenner, doing the week 11 assignment. The Within here, I've opened up the projects app class. So this is the projects app.java. There's quite a few files to here, and I can't get it all in 5 minutes, so we'll get through this fairly quickly. But the class is declared here, projects app. Um, and then creating the cure project, the scanner for system in, so for any input from the user, and then as well as project service. Here are the listed options from the menu, formatters off and on, before and after, respectively. And then here we've created this. Well, here's the main declaration. That's pretty the standard layout for Java. And then here we've created the process user selections method. Boolean done equals false. So it's Boolean done is created with false automatically. While the done is false right here, we try get user selection. And then we do a switch with cases of -1 means exit menu. Uh, Case of 1, create project, 2, list projects, 3, and so on and so forth. And then there's the catch here with an exception E, error, and then it prints out the error, try again. And then down here we have delete project. This deletes, it asks for project ID to delete. And then it lists the projects and then enter the ID to delete. And then it deletes the project. And then once it's deleted, it says project with the project ID was deleted. However, if object's non-null and the get product ID equals project ID, cur project equals null. And then update project details. It uses an if statement. So it prints out, please select a project if objects is null. The cur project is null. Within I'm sorry. And then we declare the project name, enter the project name, and then enter the estimated hours. This is when you update all of the information. Um, and then actual hours, difficulty, any notes, and then here's the new project right here that's created. And then we will go down to select project. This select project method has the list projects and then enter an ID to select a project. And then we have list projects, create project here, where it has all the different options on creating the project. And then we will skip down to, well, exit menu, just says exiting the menu, user selection, get input, get string input, and then print operations here. So we will actually go ahead and demonstrate this. So I am going to run Java application. So we can see here we have add project. So we will add a project, and then we're going to say fixing the window. Estimated hours, 12. Actual hours, maybe it took less time, so we'll do 10. Difficulty, pretty difficult. Well, not 5, but I would say 3. Notes, upstairs is priority. Okay, and then we see that that has been done. So we can list the projects now. So we'll list the projects. Here's the projects. And then we will select project. So we will select 4. And then it tells us what project we are currently working with. And then if we want to update it, fixing the window. All of that we're going to keep the same. And then finally, if we want to delete, we hit delete. And then it says the deletion. We'll do 4. Project 4 was deleted. And now we will list the projects and we can see it is gone.